Cody Garrett Runnels Rhodes, born Cody Garrett Runnels on June 30th, 1985, is an American professional wrestler. He is signed to WWE, where he performs on the SmackDown brand. Rhodes is also known for co-founding and serving as Executive Vice President and wrestler with All Elite Wrestling AEW from 2019 until 2022. The son of Dusty Rhodes and half-brother of Dustin Rhodes, Rhodes won to Georgia State High School championships as an amateur wrestler in 2003 and 2004. He signed with WWE in 2006 and featured for its developmental territory, Ohio Valley Wrestling OVW, where he won the OVW Television Championship, OVW Southern Tag Team Championship, and OVW Heavyweight Championship once each, becoming a Triple Crown champion. Between 2007 and 2016, he won 7 World Tag Team Championships with 4 different partners, as well as the Intercontinental Championship twice. During this time, he adopted various gimmicks, including performing as Stardust, a melodramatic spin-off of his brother's gimmick, Goldust. He departed WWE in 2016 and returned in 2022, and has since won the Royal Rumble match in 2023 and 2024, the inaugural WWE Crown Jewel Championship in 2024, the King of the Ring tournament in 2025, the WWE Championship twice, becoming WWE's 34th Triple Crown champion, and headlined WWE's flagship event, WrestleMania, 4 times. From 2016 until 2019, Rhodes wrestled on the independent circuit and for New Japan Pro Wrestling NJPW, Total Nonstop Action Wrestling TNA, and Ring of Honor Row under the mononym Cody, during which he won the Row World Championship, Row World 6-Man Tag Team Champion with Matt Jackson and Nick Jackson, and the IWGP United States Heavyweight Championship once each. In 2018, Rhodes and the Jacksons independently promoted All In, where he won the NWA World's Heavyweight Championship. All In marked the first event by a promoter outside of WWE or World Championship Wrestling WCW to sell 10,000 tickets in the United States since 1993 and directly led to the formation of AEW in early 2019. Between 2019 and 2022, Rhodes served as an executive vice president and also wrestled for AEW, becoming the inaugural and a 3-time TNT champion. Between WWE, AEW, Raw, NJPW, and NWA, Rhodes has held 19 total championships, including for world titles. Outside of wrestling, Rhodes served as a judge on the competition television series Go Big Show and starred with his wife Brandy Rhodes on the reality television series Rhodes to the Top. Rhodes was born in Charlotte, North Carolina, on June 30th, 1985, the son of Michelle Rubio and professional wrestler Dusty Rhodes. He is of Cuban descent through his maternal grandfather. He has a sister named Teal in addition to his paternal half-brother and fellow professional wrestler Dustin, and a paternal half-sister named Kristen, who is a former Dallas Cowboys cheerleader. He is the nephew of professional wrestlers Jerry Saggs and Fred Ottman, and the godson of professional wrestler Magnum T.A., who was present at both Rhodes' birth and baptism. He legally changed his surname to Runnels Rhodes as a teenager. Personal life. In September 2013, Rhodes married ring announcer and former wrestler Brandy Reed. They have 2 children together, as well as a Siberian husky named Pharaoh, who has appeared alongside Rhodes on both AEW and WWE programming. Rhodes is an avid gamer and a big fan of both The Legend of Zelda and Metal Gear video game series, incorporating their styles into his wrestling gear. He has stated that he replays A Link to the Past yearly, and that his favorite game in the series is Ocarina of Time, which he has proclaimed is also his favorite video game, with a close second being Metal Gear Solid. He is also a comic book fan and has worn wrestling gear inspired by X-Men characters Archangel and Mr. Sinister. He has cited Omega Red and Cyclops as his favorite fictional characters, along with the Inhumans, and revealed that he owns a game cabinet of the 1992 arcade game 10 Men. Rhodes is also a fan of the Star Wars franchise. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.